Because we use the solo stove as our primary way of getting heat for cooking, up front here, the guys at New Camp set up a space that we could put a nice big 20-pound LPG. But actually, I don't need that because we're using the stove. So what I wanted to do was actually be able to use one of these. So this is a little 1-pound unit, and it'll cook, you know, easily on the little cooker. But the trouble is, making those two match is the challenging bit. So what we have is this little gadget here, very inexpensive, super easy. Get it on Amazon. That goes onto there. That then fits onto there. And then I have extended this little hose a little bit to give me enough room to be able to put the gas tank in down there. What that now does is means because I don't have the LPG tank here, the 20-pounder, I've got plenty of room for storage. What I've got here is hot water tank for hot showers.